Hi everyone! Well, today, March 29, 2026, is the day na isusuko ko na ang aking corporate ID. After more than 10 years here in Qatar, I finally came to this point. Ready na mag-move on. Mamimiss ko talaga dito ang tax-free sahod, housing allowance, paid annual and sick leaves, and of course, the food and the worry-free surrounding. Going sa bansa kung saan maraming tax ngek, pero may pag-green card and retirement benefits naman. So thankful for my fruitful years sa small but rich country of Qatar. Marami na tayong naipon na taba, spider veins at pananakit ng buto-buto. Pero marami rin namang natupad na pangarap. Counting the days left as Qatar door closes for me, another opens. New chapter ahead. Your emergency nurse is signing off. Bye-bye!